This is a tool review of the half-inch drive Kobalt air impact wrench. I have had this for about 4 years now, and it's served me very well. Prior to purchasing this, I had one of these units, and it did not even get lug nuts off the majority of the time. Very underpowered. They're sold for around $20 by various brand names on there, and to me it's not even worth it. Although I do believe in buying the best tools I can afford, I'm very pleased with this purchase here. It is 350 foot-pounds. It has taken lug nuts off very easily, axle nuts on cars. Very pleased with the whole thing here. It is got 3 forward speeds and full on for reverse. When I put lug nuts on, I have it on one, otherwise it over tightens them. Other than that, it's definitely not a professional tool, but it has taken a beating, and overall for light duty use I'm very pleased with it.